Now, Terra Luna Classic continues to be one of the most volatile, yet highest potential coins in the cryptocurrency space. And this is evident by the fact that even this morning we are swinging around 5, 6, 7, 8%, shooting up above 17,000 points per coin, trying to come back down a little bit. And this volatility, it attracts traders. So that is going to be a great thing in terms of increasing volume, increasing the attention that Terra Luna Classic is going to get, and then eventually increasing the amount of Terra Luna Classic holders that are out there. The reward, this amazing potential, comes from the fact that if we do rebuild the Terra Luna Classic blockchain, if we are able to see some sort of a stable coin, or if we are able to see some sort of a layer 1 blockchain that is able to interact and communicate with the rest of those in the cosmos, we could absolutely see a tens of billions of dollar valuation once those days return. So I want to discuss this because we've got a lot of frustration going on in the community right now, and a lot of sarcasm going on in the community by those that are very well known on different social media platforms. So let's talk about Terra Luna Classic's future, and of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. And you deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. Now, if you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, leverage, short, whatever you want to do, you've got KuCoin and Binance down there. KuCoin and Binance offer rewards for the more active trader. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. Make sure to check those out. But please be careful of any centralized exchange right now. We know what happened with FTX, and it could absolutely happen. It could happen to any of these other ones. Don't think that it can't happen to your exchange, including the ones that are in the description. So please be aware of that. So, if we're talking about Terra Luna Classic, I do want to address this frustration going on in the community right now, and it's taking the form of a little bit of a sarcasm out on Twitter, and that sarcasm can lead to division. So, we've got a couple groups out there that are focusing on one of two things, burning and building. And then factions of those group are talking about, Do Kwon and parity versus merging and all of this. Or just burn all of the coins right now so we can peg Terra Luna Classic to $1 because that's the final goal. And no, that is not the final goal. We do want to see Terra Luna Classic reach $1 one day. It will absolutely be necessary to burn massive amounts of Terra Luna Classic if we expect it to reach $1. But just burning random coins, it's impossible. You can't burn somebody's coin that is holding it. I mean, if you do that, it's almost like going from Terra Luna Classic over to Luna 2.0, and you just hold less coins. It's like a reverse split in the stock market. You can't achieve the goals that are out there by simply burning 6 trillion coins and hoping that you're the one that's lucky enough to continue holding what's left. So a lot of this narrative and sarcasm that you're seeing with merging with Terra Luna 2.0 and the fact that Do Kwon is some sort of a savior to those that were in Terra Luna Classic when it had fallen out and all of this, it's just it's a manifestation of the frustration that we're seeing with the price action in Terra Luna Classic right now. Terra Luna Classic is lower in price than it was a couple of months ago. You guys know that. I know that. Everybody knows that. Terra Luna Classic's volume is drastically lower than it was a couple of months ago. We all know that. Terra Luna Classic's social media engagement is much lower than it was a couple of months ago. But those are the negatives. The positives are that we have a $1 billion blockchain in the midst of one of potentially the worst cryptocurrency bear markets that we have ever seen. We have a cryptocurrency, a layer 1 coin right here that is surrounded by one of the strongest communities in the game. Why? Because they believe in its future. Because they believe in the price action. Not because they believe in some developers. Not because they believe in some sort of a stable coin repegging. Not because they believe the Terra Luna Classic is going to repeg to $1, or we're going to get an algorithmic fungible token out there that pegs to $1, and all of a sudden we have the greatest financial system, DeFi, in the world. The community is so strong because they viewed an opportunity. Terra Luna Classic falling from $100 to 0.00000 whatever posed this opportunity for massive gains. That is why people buy. People don't buy, and they might sound like they're good people, right? They might sound like they're trying to be pure, but people don't invest unless they believe their money is going to be worth more. If you're looking at Terra Luna Classic and the only reason somebody is saying that they are in it right now is because they believe that Terra Luna Classic can be the future of decentralized finance, that's nice. But they want to make money along the way. That is exactly why you are in Terra Luna Classic. That is exactly why I am in Terra Luna Classic, because we want to make money as the price of Terra Luna Classic moves higher. Now, it just so happens that because Terra Luna Classic fell from roughly a $40-50 billion valuation down to where it's at right now at a $1 billion valuation, we have a top cryptocurrency that could once again regain a 50 to 60x price increase. That's without burns. That's if we simply reach the market cap that we were once at, and imagine adding burns in. Burn half the supply, that 50x increase turns into a 100x increase. Burn, 90% of the supply? That 50x increase turns into a 500x increase. So the beauty here is that we have a blank slate. We have, we are buying the building, we are buying the rubble so that we can once again build something amazing. And it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen overnight. If you are here for some sort of a rebuild, if you are here for some sort of just a reclaiming of the glory that Terra Luna Classic can have, it's going to take a while, guys. You know how long it's going to take? At least until the bull market returns. The volatility is great in the sense that you can have overnight 10, 20, 30, 40% swings in Terra Luna Classic. The volatility and the low market cap are great because we can wake up tomorrow and see the price double. But here's what we need to remember. If Terra Luna Classic is going to regain these massive values, we need to see massive amounts of money flowing in. And the matter of the fact is, it's not happening during a bear market. Bitcoin is not going to regain a $70,000 price point in the midst of a bear market. Ethereum is not going to gain hundreds of billions of dollars in market cap during a bear market. And Terra Luna Classic is not going to go to a penny, a dollar, and so on in a bear market. We need to see confidence restored in the cryptocurrency space. That is going to take a while. But the only thing that we have to do is make sure we're here. It is very simple when you break it down in terms of binary decisions. What do we have to make sure we do? We simply have to make sure that we're here. Does it guarantee that it goes back up? No. But it guarantees that if it does go back up, you and I will be able to partake in the Terra Luna Classic gains. So don't let the frustration get the best of you. Don't let this potential division get the best of you. Make a decision. The choice is simple. It is to stay or not to stay. Let me know down in the comments what you guys are going to do. Don't put your hope in developers. Don't put your hope in anything other than the fact that you view the potential and you want to make sure that you stand a chance. It doesn't have to be all of your life savings. Just make sure that you're comfortable investing whatever it is that you have. Now, of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.